So hi guys, you know what? Bigby's is opening its third branch in Cebu, here at Cebu ID Park. And today I'm gonna preview it with other media and bloggers. So check this out, because they're gonna open this Friday and it's gonna be great. Come on, let's go inside. We're here with Sir Henrik of Bigby's Quality Food Corporation, Pepsi. So, sir, what's your big announcement here in Cebu?
We're opening our brand new store. Check out our brand new store design here at Bigby's IT Park, Cebu at the Central Bloc.
So it's the third branch here in Cebu. The other branches are in Ayala, Central Cebu, and S in City Cebu. Plus, watch out for your other brands.
Boy Zumba also soon to open here, also at the Central Bloc IT Park.
Wow, there's so many new places to eat thanks to this, thanks to them, thanks to BQFC. So I hope to see you guys at the Bigby's opening on March 16th.
Thank you.